So, it's been a while. But recently, I made a small update to my mod that lets you create storylines or scripts directly inside Minecraft. Meet StoryScript 0.2. In this update, I completely rewrote the codebase, updated everything to Minecraft 1.21.1, redesigned the variable system, and even created an API that allows you to make your own StoryScript commands. More about StoryScript you can learn in this video. The engine rewrite. The first thing I did was a full code refactor. The previous version had a lot of issues. Poor optimization, tons of small bugs, and the code itself was, let's just say, pretty hard to read. I fixed all of that by rebuilding the script execution engine from scratch. I switched from a thread-based system to a tick-based one. Here's why that matters. Previously, when you ran code like this, the old engine would execute the first command, then literally freeze and wait for 5 real-time seconds before running the next one. This caused problems. If the server lagged or something went wrong, the engine could simply forget to wait and execute everything instantly, ruining the cutscene. In the new engine, that doesn't happen. Instead of freezing, the engine now simply pauses the script and watches the server ticks. When the counter reaches 100 ticks, which equals 5 seconds, the script resumes perfectly. It's now impossible to skip a sleep command. Variables and console commands. I also completely overhauled how variables work. We now have 2 types of variables, local and global. Setvar creates a temporary variable. It lives only while the script is running. Great for temporary dialogue logic. Also, instead of the usual setvar command, setglobal is now used for global variables. And instead of the console command, sscript setvar, the command sscript setglobal is now used. This is necessary to maintain a consistent style throughout the entire mod. Small updates. The sleep command now supports fractional numbers. Want a quick second pause? Just write sleep 0.5. The message command is smarter. You don't need to use quotes for every single message anymore. It just works. Variables can now be inserted into character names. The setcutter command can now be used to set the color of a character's name separately, as well as the color of the message itself. The API. And for the developers out there, I introduced the iScript command API. This means if you are making your own mod, you can easily register your own custom commands into StoryScript. Want to add a heal command or a spawn boss command to your scripts? Now you can. This update makes StoryScript stable, flexible, and ready for your map-making ideas on version 1. You can download the mod right now from the link in the description. If you want to learn more about how the mod works, go to my Discord server. There you will find a lot of useful information about the mod. If you want to support my project, subscribe to my Patreon or Boosty. If you don't have any money, just subscribe to this channel and give it a like. I would really appreciate any support you can give. See you soon!